What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back again with another interesting app, and this is a little known app that's sort of getting a big buzz in South Africa at the moment. It's described as Africa's first Bitcoin passive micro investing app. So I'm talking about none other than Up and Up, and it's a passive micro investing app, like I said, that allows users to pretty much accumulate Bitcoin on Autopilot. So the app itself claims to be the first fintech platform in South Africa to make it possible for users to accumulate funds through an add up or round up feature. So essentially, Up and Up is responsible for facilitating these micro savings in crypto by adding funds to a user's fiat savings wallet using automatic rounding. So it also enables the purchase of cryptos from the available funds in a user's fiat wallet. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you a quick breakdown of this platform in full. Don't forget to check out the links in the description as well, and also give us a like and a subscribe to the channel. Join our Telegram and our Discord server. Let's get it on. So before I get into a full breakdown of Up and Up, I just want to say this is an example of an application that is sort of in the running for spreading crypto adoption. What I mean by that is, at the end of the day, a lot of the interfaces for a lot of crypto projects, especially if you're talking about things that are in DeFi, are very hard for a lot of non-crypto native people to get accustomed to. So of course, this is not a Web3 platform. This is just another way to pretty much introduce crypto to the masses in a way that they are already familiar with, in terms of how traditional fintech pretty much runs. So the company Up and Up actually trades or is registered in South Africa as UBU, South Africa Private Limited, or PTY Limited rather. So the Up and Up app is actually available both on iOS and on Android devices. So it's on the App Store and the Google Play Store as well. So in order for you to just register with the app, a user typically would be required to create a unique username, as with most platforms, and then you can provide a password, which you'll be obviously able to log into your account with. And then, of course, before you use this app, the one thing you need to do is do KYC verification. So they will need your ID number, banking details, so you can link your bank account to the app. And I'll explain why this is in just a little bit. But as for how Up and Up actually really works, it pretty much rounds up each time a user spends to the nearest rand. Okay, so that's the South African currency, if you're not aware. And that obviously saving is done in an automated way and is automatically invested. This is done by pretty much adding an add up or a round up amount to every qualifying transaction on your linked bank account. So as a user, you just need to make sure you set up a profile and link your transactional bank account in order for you to micro save directly to the Up and Up wallet. And also Up and Up does use third-party service providers such as Stitch, and this they use for data security, for instance, and also other third-party providers such as Okele and Vala Cryptocurrency Exchange, which is local here in South Africa. So you can pretty much do your sign up, and you can make sure once you've done your sign up, you do your KYC, and then you can complete your profile. And then, you just need to choose your preferred saving method. Then that is either the roundup or the add up. And then you just need to set up a monthly maximum limit that you think is suitable for yourself. And just like that, you can then just sit back while your micro investments accumulate weekly on Autopilot. What they have right now is also a bit of a sign up bonus if you sign up to the app. So make sure you check that out. But again, the interesting thing to really note is the fact that they are integrated with most of the local banks here. So FNB, Capitec, Standard Bank, Absa, Nedbank, etc. So I'll just give you, they do actually give like an illustration of kind of how much you can save using their app, so it'd be worth checking it out. But as for why you should use Up and Up, I think micro saving with Up and Up is actually just meant to make micro investing more simple, easy, and convenient for new people that are entering into the investment space, especially that are new to digital assets. What makes this app unique is the fact that the minimum amount that you as a user can invest on a weekly basis for any savings mode is just under 13 Rand 50, which is just under $1. Okay, so this actually includes the up and up fee as well. So you can go check out the actual minimums for investment modes. For example, there's 1 Rand per transaction for the add up, 5 Rand per transaction for the roundup, and a fixed amount of $12 per week. And they also have minimum conversions for users as well. And you can just check that out, and you can also check out the minimums and the maximums as far as withdrawals, etc. And as for fees, Up and Up currently charges on the weekly fees as a transaction fee if you as a user participate in a weekly saving cycle, and a small fee to actually withdraw funds back into your personal linked account. So I think you should check it out. It's a pretty clever app that's designed to make micro investing in crypto much easier for people who want to invest without the complexities of going directly to a centralized crypto platform such as Luno, Vala, Binance, or Altcoin Trader, all of which we have reviewed on our main site, Decentralised.news. So be sure to check those out. We do give you the best cryptocurrency exchange reviews, DeFi platform reviews, a whole host of free tools and resources if you're interested in just finding out more about this cryptocurrency ecosystem. And it's also important to note that currently Up and Up only does support the one asset, and that's Bitcoin, BTC. It's also important for you to note that withdrawals of Bitcoin directly to your self-custodied wallet is not currently possible. You can, however, convert the Bitcoin that you've saved, if it's appreciated, convert it to a rand amount on the app, and then withdraw it directly to your linked bank account in your local currency, which I think for most people is typically what they would want to do if they want to just use Bitcoin as a vehicle. That's much better for saving, since over time it has shown to have more appreciation as it is in a deflationary currency as opposed to the regular fiat currencies that people try to save in that are inherently inflationary. So users, however, still need to be mindful of the fact that there are always risks associated with any investment strategy, and it's recommended you do your own research and you actually manage your risks accordingly. You can also check out some tips on how to do so on our main site, Decentralised.news. Don't forget to check out the books as well. The links are in the description if you're interested in asset backed tokens and asset tokenization using blockchain technology. That's if you're interested in how real estate or equities are being tokenized, if you're interested in all of that, and if you're interested in just how blockchain technology itself is being integrated in legacy enterprises, whether that's insurance, if it's retail, supply chains, if it's public sector, public markets, and things of that nature. You can also check out my other book, Blockchain Applied, also in the description. Navigate-digital.com is a platform that I built for you guys if you're interested in doing business online. And also make sure you check out proudlyassociated.com if you're interested in peer-to-peer marketing or marketing your crypto business. Until next time, peace, love, subscribe.